After we know about some coordinate points, then we want to investigate the input and output by using a graphical method. Sometimes it is a straight line, and then if we give you some relation, we want to plot out and visualize the relation between x and y. So to do so, then we will put different value of x. Put x is equal to 0, and then we want to find out the corresponding outcome. Then y will equal to 0 minus 3, we get negative 3. Similar reason, we consider different other case. If we put x is equal to 1, then y will equal to 2 minus 3. So this will become negative 1. If we put x is equal to 2, then we get extra 2 again. 2 times of 2, and then minus 3, we get 1. If we put x is equal to 3, then is 3 times of 2 now, and then subtract 3, we get 3 here. If we keep doing that, so y is equal to 4 times of 2 minus 3, then we get 5. You will find that every time we just get extra 2 is because of this term. Whenever x increased by 1, the final outcome will increase by 2. So this at the same time representing the slope. If we plot all these points together, first we have a starting point, which is the y-intercept. When x equals 0, our corresponding height is negative 3. So the graph passes through this point. Afterward, whenever x is increased by 1, then you will find that the height will increase by 2. So when x increased by 1, shift right by 1 step, and then y will increase by 2. So another point is here. Similar reason, whenever x is increased by 1, then y will go up by 2. So this is another point. That's why when you familiarize with this kind of calculation, to handle the equation of straight line, you don't need to let so many points. You just need a starting point, and then you need to know every horizontal change, what is the corresponding vertical change, and then you connect them together. Then this line is output is equal to 2 times of input minus 3. That's how we get the straight line by the equations. And then not only some integers, also we accept some input, which is a fraction or decimal number. Let's say, for example, if it is 3.5, then we know that when x is equal to 3.5, y is equal to 2 times 3.5 minus 3, which is 7 minus 3, 4. Then we find out that the corresponding heights here fulfill the requirement. That means not only the integer points, but every points here, the xy combination fulfill this requirement. That's the meaning of equation. That's why this equation representing this straight line is because all the points on this line fulfill this requirement. Now, just now is I give you the equation of straight line. You try to draw the line. How about if reverse, I give you a line, then how can you write down the equation of this straight line is what we need to learn in this chapter. And then we will continue the explanation in another video.